And this particular slide shows to us about the response, no? Ang ating genetic changes that affects cancer treatment. You see, dito, you notice, I told you already, mayroon tayong DNA change, no? Pero as we get older, no, mas dumadami ang ating genetic changes, no? Yung ating genome change to a more cancerous prone gene or DNA. O kaya yung ating parents, father and mother has both mas madami, mas mahirap puksain yon, no? So this typical photo or diagram shows to us when there is no response to the, or even if there is a response, now overwhelmed siya ng cancer cells because of more DNA, cancer DNA. Now, what causes these genetic changes? Ito yung sinabi ko when I was interviewed by Ma'am Climar, no? Nandiyan dyan yan. Nandiyan dyan ang gene, cancer genes sa atin, no? But it takes, ang tumor markers meaning yung mga tumor cells, nandiyan dyan. Hindi siya magiging active if we do not, hindi ibig sabihin na, hindi, wala na, mamatay na ako sa cancer dahil ang father ko namatay sa cancer, mother ko na. No, you have that, but it takes, to turn it on, you need, the tumor markers need stimulus, no? Manggagaling sa environment mo, kung tinatawag natin, microenvironment. Kaya heredity or chromosomes from your parents is only a factor. Sabi ko kanina, UV radiation, chemicals, no? Mga farmers who are exposed to fertilizers, ayan, yung leukemia is very high sa kanila, mga viruses, no? Alam natin ang cancer sa kwelyo, no? Cervix ng mga female population has been found out na napakataas ng papilloma virus. Ano ba yung papilloma na yan, Doc? Ang papilloma or HPV, human papilloma virus, is a virus that is found in the cervix that is given to the female from a male na meron noon. Well, basically nakikita yan sa warts, venereal warts, no? It's a sexually transmitted disease, STD or a venereal disease na nakukuha ng isang lalaki galing sa isang babae, pasa-pasa. So, when we have a promiscuous woman o female, marami siyang sex partners, multiple partners, madali niya makuha yung virus na yan. Bakit? Siyempre, the higher the more partners, the higher the risk, no? So stick to one ka, and it does not also assure you, yun nga ang aming usapan, isa lang, I'm very faithful to my boyfriend, I'm very faithful to my husband. Pero yung husband mo naman, mayroong girlfriend, no? Posible meron virus na kuha niya at naipasa sa'yo. This is the reason why we have tests na tinatawag natin, no? And we have vaccines against papilloma virus. So this is just an example na ang virus can cause cancer. Mataas po ang risk ng isang babae na positive sa papilloma, HPV, human papilloma virus, to develop cervical cancer, cancer ng kwelyo. Sige, paano naman yung aking kakilala na madre? Hindi naman siya promiscuous, no? Hindi siya sexually active. Ba't nagka-cancer pa rin sa matris? Matris yun. On the other end, if you are not sexually active, ang kwelyo yun ang dulo ng matris, no? Nakabungad sa harap, no? And ang loob ng matris, the body or the corpus or the body of the uterus will develop cancer more sa mga old maid, sa mga madre, or those even na may asawa na iisa lang ang anak. Bakit? Because walang pahinga ang matris. Panay ang mens, walang pahinga na 9 months, hindi nagkakaroon ng rest from bombardment of hormones. Okay? Hormones every month, mens, every month na bombarded by estrogen, high estrogen, no? Unlike kung 3, 4 ang anak nyo, there are times na nagpapahinga siya ng 1 taon dahil nagbubuntis kayo eh. So walang mens. And nag-breastfeed ka 2 years, anak, laking pahinga. So nakakapahinga ang matris. So most of the time, it has been found out na ang matris, cancer of the uterus, wala halos sa mga maraming anak, sa mga nagbuntis, no? But it is very common among those who have no pregnancies or no babies or one. Okay? Yun naman ang kabilang end, no? And yun naman promiscuous, kwelyo. And of course, smoking is very common, no? Alam na natin yan, no? Nasopharyngeal lungs.